Hello everyone, this is Shrutoshini. I welcome you all to my channel Light of Life with Shrutoshini. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Whenever this world throws us in difficult situations, then God opens 1,000 ways for us. A pastor told his disciples that if you have complete faith and trust on God, then you will be able to come out of any difficult situation. You will be able to pass the hard times. The biggest obstacles of the world also will not be able to stop you. You will be able to walk on water and will also be able to walk within fire. Listening to these words of the pastor, one of his disciples trusted them completely, and by keeping faith on God, he went to walk on water. His faith had so much strength that the disciple could walk on water very easily. The other disciples went to the pastor and said about this occurrence. They told the pastor that one of your disciples could actually walk on water by listening to your words. After listening to this, the pastor became very happy. He started thinking, when my disciple could walk on water, then I do not even know how much unknown power is there within me. Then the pastor also tried to walk on water. But when he set his foot on the water, then he started drowning. Seeing this event, all the disciples became very startled. They started thinking that it is proven that a disciple is more powerful than his pastor. The pastor also became very surprised. The pastor asked his disciple, "How could you walk on the water?" Then the disciple replied that, "You said that if we have full faith on God, then nobody will be able to stop us. No difficult situation in the world will be able to stop us. We will be able to walk on water and will also be able to walk within fire." I trusted those words completely and I could very easily walk on water. Then the pastor understood one thing, that I actually did not trust on my own words. We do pray, but we do not completely trust our own prayers. We keep on thinking whether our prayers will be fulfilled or not. We pray, but along with that, we worry about the matter also. If you worry, it means you do not pray. And if you pray, then why do you worry? If you are worrying, then that means you are not praying with your complete faith. You all must have heard a story. Once there was a famine in a village. Everybody started searching for water. The people of the village took this decision that they will perform a ritual in front of a sacred fire and they will please God and bring water in the village. The next day, arrangements for the sacred ritual was made. All the people from the village started going to the ritual. Amongst them, a small boy was carrying an umbrella in his hand. People around asked the boy that, "Why have you brought an umbrella along with you?" The boy answered that, "You people have done the arrangements for the sacred ritual to please God, so that it rains in the village. Now you will do the ritual, God will be pleased, and after that, when it will rain, then everybody will get wet. And to save myself from getting drenched, I am carrying this umbrella." People say that day God did not get pleased through that sacred ritual, but he got pleased seeing the belief of that small boy. They say that if your belief is true and strong, then it can hold the power of shaking a mountain. There is so much strength in belief that many a times many big spiritual people also fall back. And through this belief, simple people can reach their goals easily. Clever people loot everything. Knowledgeable people get stuck. But simple and honest disciples get to see the Lord quickly. Whether we believe it or not, but this whole existence is the form of God. You may have realized the same thing in your life also. When all the doors get closed, when difficult situations engulf you from all around in your life, when all the ways get shut, when our strength, our intelligence, our wealth, and our power, nothing works, at that time we don't know from where somebody comes and helps us out. The Almighty comes in any form and takes you out from that difficult situation. In the 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna told Arjun that in this nature, whatever is the best, that is the form of God. To see that Almighty, there is no need to visit somewhere. If you feel Him somewhere with a true heart and call Him with complete devotion, then He will appear there. It has been said that your parents are forms of God. Even you yourself is moving forward through the strength of God. The strength of the light of God is on within you. Every one of us has given many wrong interpretations of God, but in reality, this whole existence is the form of God. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna said Arjun that whether this mankind believes it or not, but God is bearing this mankind, this existence, this universe. Our condition is like that fish who stays alive in water and asks that, "Where is water? I do not believe in water." Still it takes birth in the water and spends its whole life in that water. It stays so close to the water that it does not understand that it is actually staying alive within the water. Now, if it goes in search of water, it cannot find it. Our story is also the same. We take birth within this nature, which is a form of God, and we stay alive within this, and we disappear within this. But still we ask that, where is God? I have never seen God. We do not believe in God. But keep in mind that it is wrong that God cannot be seen. The truth is that nobody searches for Him going in that stage. Kabir Das Ji also said that, "Where will you find me? I am there beside all of you. I am not in any pilgrimage, not in any idol, not in any secret abode, not in any temple, not in any mosque, and also not in Mount Kailash. Where will you find me? I am there beside you. I am not in any chants, not in any vows, not in any fasting, not in any activities, not in any yogic ritual. Where will you find me? I am there beside you. If you have searched for me, then I will definitely appear. Every one of you listen. I stay in belief." Wherever there is trust, wherever there is belief, you will find God there. Hence in life, when all the doors will get closed, when you will lose your courage, when you will not understand anything, when your power will also not work, then keep faith on God. God will surely push all your difficulties away. He will open all your closed doors. He will make all your difficulties easy to deal with. After listening to the video, if you like it, then please press the like button. Do not forget to comment and share with your friends.